Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another daily market report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Wednesday, December 8th, and no economic news releases today, but there's a lot of volatility in the bond market. So let's take a look here. We got stock market's a little mixed. The Dow is kind of down a little bit. We're S&P 500 and Nasdaq were up a little bit. The one little announcement came out was that the European banks mentioned they're going to go through another round of stress tests in February. This time they're saying that they're going to make it a little bit more rigorous and looking especially at liquidity this round. And then also we got an auction today where the Fed's going to be buying today, so hopefully we see more demand and sales because right now it seems like people like PIMCO and those guys are doing the opposite of what the government normally would do, what the government's doing, but this round they're kind of doing what the opposite. They're selling and the Fed's buying. So we need that for the bonds to hopefully get some improvement here. So as a result, today we had a huge drop, even with that, it never closed that gap that we opened up with yesterday, as we can see right here. And we had probably lost almost 200 basis points right there from Monday's open to yesterday's close. So we started off the day here, dropped down to here, came down here, and then another big gap opening here. And right now we're not seeing any floors. Here we thought we had a floor here, and then a floor here. Things kept improving. Again, every time we think we have a floor, it just keeps dropping. So right now it's kind of a free fall. We don't know exactly. Again, this is an emotional base. So let's take a look at just show you kind of how long term it is. As we saw in October, we're even touched at 102 mark here, but we're kind of in the 101 range here until about the beginning of November, and then just start taking from here down almost 600 basis points. We're looking at right here, almost even at some point 700 basis points. So that's a huge change in the mortgage rates. So mortgage rates went up dramatically from October, where we had some very good rates. Still great rates, but not as good as what we saw in October. So just want to kind of pass this along, and at some point we'll have a correction, but until we see some type of floor, we don't know when that will be. And with these unresolved gaps here, it's going to make it that much more difficult to go upwards. It's going to have to be very convincing news to get upwards to move that up, because those will become more of a difficult ceiling to get through. All right, folks, you guys have a great day.